And I'm going to begin with the plants kingdom. As we were on the plant kingdom, we have completed all through the what are the five kingdoms that were your Monera Prista, and then your fungi, then planty kingdom, and your animalia kingdom. So today we are going to begin with the planty kingdom. Alright. So basically, your plants kingdom comprises of two types. And what are the two types? We have discussed in further of our videos that our plant kingdoms are basically classified into sub kingdoms. And what are the sub kingdoms? Basically, that were your cryptogamy. Alright, the first. In this, what happened? Let me discuss with you all. So, in this, basically, well, cryptogamous means basically in this which type of kingdoms or which type of parts will be there, so they do not produce any types of seed or flowers. And in this cryptogams, what are there? Your comes will be Thalophytes, Bryophytes, and Pterodophyta. So these three will not produce any type of seeds or flowers. All right. And the second type of plants, sub kingdom of plants, is your basically I discussed with you all. Yes, you all are right. Whatever the answer is coming from you, that is accepting the cryptogamy, that the second is your second, or you want to say the last. All right, phanerogamy. All right, phanerogamy is your the second sub kingdom of planty kingdom, and this comprises of your gymnosperms and angiosperms, as it is sub kingdom. And even though they produce beer seeds and beer flowers, all right, not very clear, but nagged from nagged you can see beer seeds and flowers. Well, let me start with the Thalophytes. Okay, so we'll be beginning with the Thalophytes. So let us begin. What are Thalophyte? Atoms comprises of do not produce seed and flower. Remember this, it's the part of cryptogamy. So let us begin with Thalophytes. So if we begin, so as plants kingdom is begin with here, so as the first part or the first plant from where a scientist begin to know that yeah, it comprises of plants also in the earth, so that is your Thalophytes, the nave. All right, you can say. So Thalophytes, so the plants of division Thalophytes are commonly called algae or even the Thalophyta. And why they are called algae? Alright, algae or Thalophytes or Thalophyta, because there is a reason. There is a reason that they comprises of thallus-like structure. Alright, you have seen in the rivers, there comprises of algae. You have seen, so they really comprises of thallus. There is like structured thallus as we see. So that is why they are named as Thalophytes. Alright, algae are autotrophic in their mode of nutrition, as we are knowing about it. It's not new. Well, these are mainly aquatic plants found in both fresh and sea water. Alright, who are the both can live in both fresh and sea water? That is your Thalophyta. You are right. The Thalophytes are the plants which can live both, even though your fresh water and or your sea water. They can live in both. Alright. Now, what could more be there? But however, some of these plants, who Thalophytes, can also live in terrestrial and live in moist soil, right? So they can both live in, some are there which can live in fresh water and sea water, and some are there which can live in terrestrial places. And what are the terrestrial places? That is your for the plants is your moist soil, basic. Alright, this is the basic you can use in mind. Moist soil can be the place for their terrestrial surviving. Alright, now is it comprises of that their body are not differentiated in the stem, root, and leaves, as we have talked about their cryptogamy. Alright, so do not produce any type of stem, do not have any type of stem, do not have any type of roots, and even though they do not have any types of leaves. So remember this. Alright, what could be more be there? That so this type of undifferentiated body, which thallus, alright, is called your thallus, as I discussed with you all, and that is why they are called Thalophytes. Their cell wall, alright, their cell wall is made up of what? Made up of, remember this, cellulose. Alright, their cell wall is made up of cellulose. Okay, this could be the point to be noticed from you all sides. Alright, they may be unicellular. Alright, algae reproduced by vegetating reproduction. Algae is reproduced by vegetating, yes, reproduction. Remember whatever the topics I'm telling, whatever the lines I'm telling now, that can be written by yourself. Alright, and their example in front of you, your example is Spirongia. Alright, what could be more example? If you know, comment so I can read your comments and just give you a like. Okay, I will also tell you some of the example, that is Alva, even though algae is your example for Thalophytes, and Volvox, and there are more, but I'll not tell you. I want that you should tell. Alright, okay, let us now talk about Bryophytes. Alright, now what is Bryophytes? Basically, bryophytes are known as the amphibians of the plants. Why? What are the reason for that? So the reason for bryophytes are without specialized vascular tissue. So in this, what happened? Let me read it for you. Bryophytes are known as the amphibians of the plants kingdom. Alright, kingdom. And plant's body is differentiated into stem-like structure. What I mean to say here is that by bryophytes some type of differentiation will be there of a stem, roots and leaves. Alright, and what could be more be there, that true stem and leaves are absent. True are not there, but yeah, can be seen from the naked eyes. Alright, not can be like this, can be seen from telescope, it could be seen. So they are not the actual are absent. Alright, now they are a small sized plant which mainly grow in moist and sandy places. What I mean to say that they are very small. That is why they are forced to live in the moist and I mean to say sandy places. Alright, the terrestrial places basically. As I told you, as if I go further, so vascular tissues are absent. Vascular tissues are absent, and this is your special feature for your bryophytes. Everyone asking what you ma'am is saying. Why could be a special you can say special point for the bryophytes? Basically because from here vascular tissue will start be getting coming, and at your division third, that is your Pterodophyta, will definitely comes your vascular tissue. So this could be your point for Bryophyta, that they do not have any type of vascular system or tissue. Alright, now what could be more in the Bryophyta, that is your in the male sex organ for the Bryophyta is simple known as Antheridia, and the female sex for the Bryophytas are organs are yes Archegonia. Alright, remember the names for the male are Antheridia and for female Archegonia, and examples for the Bryophytes are in front of you written moss. I can give an example more, that is Riccia, Funadia. Alright, more are there example? Just comment in the comment section so I can read it for you all and I give you a like. Alright, so till this we have discussed Thalophytes and Bryophytes. Now I'll be back with Pterodophyta, and I'll discuss gymnosperms and angiosperms in the separate video as it consists of your phanerogames. So and Pterodophyta for the specific video. Till that, I would like from your side to like the video, comment if you do not understand anything. If you understand anything, then also I want that you should comment and just share this video to your friends so that they can also get benefit. Alright, and please click the subscription button and press the bell icon as it is there only, so you can get the daily updates by my side. And in my channel there is free study for class 9th, class 7th, and there I've made playlist for every of the classes as further class 9th physics, class 9th chemistry, biology, so you can get free study from my side. There is no package or there for studying 2 videos and you need to pay package there. No, you can easily and very free you can go and study there and take benefit from my side. And I just want that you should be study and get a free education by magnetic brain. So till that, bye bye, and I'll be back with Pterodophyta.